You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's use AI to boost your company's marketing. First, use AI for content creation. Tools like ChatGPT can write blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters quickly. Use AI image generators like DALL-E for custom graphics. Next, employ AI for customer segmentation. Platforms like HubSpot use AI to analyze data and group your audience for targeted campaigns. Use AI chatbots on your website for instant customer service and lead generation. Implement AI for email marketing. Tools can personalize send times and subject lines to increase open rates. Use AI-powered analytics like Google Analytics to predict customer behavior and track campaign performance. Try AI for social media management. Tools can schedule posts and suggest optimal posting times. Use AI for ad buying on platforms like Google Ads, which uses smart bidding to maximize your budget. Always review AI-generated content for brand voice accuracy. AI handles repetitive tasks, freeing your team for creative strategy. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.